Alright, our problem was y to the fourth in parentheses raised to the third power. We know that y to the fourth is the same thing as y times y times y times y. And then that would have been raised to the third power. So we could say that each of these y's is raised to the third power. So we'd have y to the third times y to the third times y to the third times y to the third. We can use the product of powers property to add y to the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We see that's y equals 12. Now we know that y to the fourth to the power of 3, we know that there's an easy way around that, and that would just be y to the fourth times 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. Therefore, it's y to the 12th. So using the caret key, you would have written y caret 12. That's how it looked like on your computer.